I have the Jordan 1 Union LA I'm Back, which is the mixture of the Chicago Jordan 1s on the lower and the shadows up on top. This sneaker definitely has that Union LA design aesthetic when it comes to the zigzag powdered blue stitching connecting the Chicagos and the shadows, and we see yellow lining all throughout the sneaker, just giving it that aged aesthetic that Union and Jordan Brand at this point is kind of known for. We also have a very yellow midsole. So yeah, this is a great shoe. I'm super glad I got these. I did not get them from Union LA, but I did get them from Sneakers when they had that shock drop. I think it was March 18th, 2025, and that's how I hit on these. We do have 3 laces as well. We have cream, yellow, and black. For me personally, I think I'll put in the cream laces because I love to have my Jordan 1s and the laces and the tongue match. I do love this sneaker. The quality is there, the craftsmanship is there, but I only have one issue. Jordan Brand did release the Chicago Jordan 1s maybe 2 to 3 years ago, and I do have them in my collection and they do look very fresh. So to follow up that pair with the Union pair that's pretty much mostly a Chicago kind of sucks because I already got that pair. Those are already been worn, so I don't really need to put these on feet. So yeah, if and when I do wear these, I'll probably put on some crop pair pants that end right where these shoes start, so when you put them on, people know that these are the Unions and not just a regular pair of Chicagos.